How to check your credit balance on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can check our credit balance on Temu just by following some easy steps. So without any further ado, let's begin. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to check the credit balance on Temu, it is very easy. You just need to follow some steps. So first thing first, you need to open Temu on your device. After opening the Temu application onto your device, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to check out the balance, you need to go to you can see this middle U option at the very bottom. Just tap on it, and here you can see this option called credit balance. Just tap on that credit balance option, and here you will be able to find what credit balance you have. And you may just link your account in order to see that. Right now I don't have my credit account here, but you just need to follow the steps. You just need to come to this page right here on this Temu app, and you will be able to see your credit balance on your Temu. So therefore by this way you can check your credit balance on Temu. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.